If you have been dreaming of waking up to the sound of the ocean or seeing the sun rising from the coral sea from your own balcony, this is the one. Designed for effortless coastal living, the penthouse at Marina Sands features 3 large bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a spacious open plan that flows effortlessly to the balcony, making the most of the incredible outlook and sea breezes. Positioned directly opposite the beach, this is one of the newest beachfront apartment developments on Sims Esplanade. Marina Sands offers modern and contemporary finishes, secure 2-car parking with storage, lift access, a resort-style swimming pool and an unbeatable location in the heart of Yorkeys Knob. Every step sunlight dances on frozen streams. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to paradise.